Hey y'all.
What is your name, place, hey? I'm Danae.
You are the luckiest girl alive.
So this is today's look. It's a simple halo eye, giving it a little smoky. So first I'm starting with a brow bone highlight, and I'm just using the P. Louise base in 02, 03. And I'm going to blend that out, and then using 05, I know that for a fact because I use it every single time I prime my eyes, and I'm just going to use that as my base. Using the Sahara 2 by Juvia's Place, I'm taking that warm brown and I'm just going to put that in the crease, but I'm really going to focus it on the inner and outer corners for the halo effect that we're going for today. I know y'all seen that eyeshadow fall out. I'm very upset. Like, it's still sitting on my table from when it fell. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but now I'm taking that chocolate brown and I'm going to put that in the inner and outer corners just to deepen up the color a bit. In the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place, I'm going to take that pretty pink, and that's just going to be our spotlight color. And I'm taking my finger because it's just easier to apply. I feel like you have better control and you pick up a lot of pigment. So at first I wasn't going to line my eye, but I didn't expect this look to come out as dark as it did. So I was like, okay, it's getting dramatic, I might as well take it all the way there. So I'm doing a simple thin black line. And then for my face, I do have a foundation routine. I do my face in every single video, but if you want to see in depth how I do it, then you should check out that video. Spinning the black on my eyes, so for my lash line I'm going to use those same exact colors, but I'm only going to put them on the inner and outer corner, and then the color that I use for my spotlight highlight color, that's going to go right in the center. And that's basically it. Very simple. I know I say that in every video, but it's so true. I don't like doing too much, okay? And then for my lip, this is my normal nude, but I just blended it out more so it's a bit deeper. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe.